Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today in this video we are going to embark on a journey of making money online like riding a roller coaster, complete with thrilling highs and challenging lows. In this comprehensive guide we'll delve deeper into the intricacies of the online business landscape, explore the emotional highs and lows, and providing practical tips to not only stay motivated but also to maintain a positive mindset. Number 1, celebrate your wins. In the world of online business, success is often built from several small wins that add up to big moments. It's important to keep yourself motivated by celebrating these wins, no matter how small they are. We will talk about the psychological effects of positive reinforcement, how it boosts drive, and why it's important to recognize and celebrate success to set yourself up for long-term success. Turning on the reward pathways. The brain's reward circuits are activated by positive reinforcement. Neurotransmitters like dopamine are released. This chemical in the brain is linked to happiness and behavior reinforcement. A rush of dopamine is released in the brain of entrepreneurs who recognize and enjoy their success, no matter how big or small. This makes them feel happy and satisfied. Because of this positive link, people are more likely to repeat the actions that earn them the prize, creating a never-ending cycle of motivation. Boosting self-esteem. When you give someone positive feedback, it helps them believe in their own abilities. When business owners celebrate their wins, it reinforces the idea that their hard work pays off. As a result, this positive view of oneself boosts confidence and resilience, giving people the mental strength to take on bigger tasks with faith that they can succeed. Motivation is a habit. Celebrating wins makes it a habit to notice the value of one's achievement. Over time, entrepreneurs get used to recognizing these things. The thought of getting positive feedback for reaching goals becomes a strong internal motivator. The brain seeks the pleasure that comes with being recognized, which makes people more determined to consistently chase and reach their goals. Fighting negative bias. The brain naturally leans toward negative bias, which means that bad events tend to stick with us longer than good ones. Another way to fight this bias is through positive feedback. By actively recognizing and celebrating wins, entrepreneurs create a positive story that counteracts the negative effects of setbacks, which can be discouraging. This shift in viewpoint helps people stay motivated when things are hard. Focus on long-term goals. Celebrating success helps you keep your eye on long-term goals. Entrepreneurs who regularly celebrate their successes build a mindset that looks to the future. They stop focusing only on the problem they are facing right now and start looking at the bigger picture of their trip. Having a long-term view keeps people motivated because they see each achievement as a step toward their ultimate goal of success. Social reinforcement. Positive reinforcement isn't just praise from a friend or a family member, it also includes social reinforcement. Entrepreneurs get outside validation when they talk about their success in a group or with peers. This social reinforcement adds to the psychological effect, because it makes people feel like they belong and are known in the group, which makes them more motivated. The need for positive comments from other people becomes a strong motivator. Before we get to the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention that I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. It is an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. It's totally free to check it out. Okay, back to where we are. Learning from challenges. Challenges are an inevitable part of any entrepreneurial journey. Instead of viewing them as roadblocks, successful entrepreneurs see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. This section will provide real-life examples of entrepreneurs who turn setbacks into stepping stones, illustrating the transformation power of embracing challenges and extracting valuable lessons from adversity. Elon Musk, SpaceX launch failures. Setback. Elon Musk faced multiple setbacks with early launches of SpaceX. The company's first 3 rockets failed to reach orbit, and the 4th launch nearly bankrupted SpaceX. Stepping Stone Musk used these failures as learning opportunities. Instead of giving up, he and his team analyzed the problems, made necessary improvements, and successfully launched the Falcon 1 in 2008. This marked the beginning of SpaceX's journey towards becoming a major player in the aerospace industry. Steve Jobs, Apple boarding ousting. Setback. In 1985, Steve Jobs was ousted from Apple, the company he co-founded, due to conflicts with the board and declining sales of Apple products. Jobs used these setbacks to start Next Computer and later acquired the graphics group, which eventually became Pixar. When Apple acquired Next in 1987, Jobs returned to Apple with new perspectives and technologies. His innovative vision played a pivotal role in Apple's resurgence with iconic products like the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. J.K. Rowling, rejections for Harry Potter. Setback. J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections from publishers for her first book, Harry Potter manuscript. Stepping stone. Rowling didn't let rejection define her. She persisted and finally secured a publishing deal. The Harry Potter series became a global phenomenon, making her one of the best-selling authors in history. Rowling's resilience and belief in her work transformed a setback into a remarkable success. Jeff Bezos, Amazon's early struggles. Setback. In the early years of Amazon, the company faced significant financial challenges, especially during the dot-com crash. Critics questioned its viability, and the company operated at a loss for years. Stepping stone. Bezos' long-term vision and commitment to customer satisfaction allowed Amazon to weather the storm. The company diversified its offerings, expanded aggressively, and eventually became a giant e-commerce, cloud computing, and various other industries. Amazon's early struggles taught Bezos valuable lessons about perseverance and adaptability. Oprah Winfrey, overcoming personal challenges. Setback. Oprah Winfrey faced a challenging childhood marked with poverty and abuse. Later in her career, her talk show faced criticism and controversies. Stepping stone. Winfrey's used her personal challenges to connect with a broad audience. Her talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, became a platform for aspiring and uplifting stories. She turned adversity into empathy, resilience, and influence a media empire. Oprah's journey is a testament to the transformation power of turning personal setbacks into sources of strength and connection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please click the thumbs up button and don't forget to push the subscribe bell and the notification bell for more valuable content. Again, thanks for watching.